Hi, good morning, distinguished guests, colleagues, and partners. Welcome to the second day of MIXiii Biotech Conference. I would like to thank IATI, and especially Yaakov and Corinne, for organizing this event. It is a privilege to open the second day of the conference and share the Israel Innovation Authority's visions and strategic actions for the future of the healthcare life science sectors. Last year, during a panel led by Yaakov at this event, this conference, we discussed the authority's strategic perspective on Health-Tech. The IAI view on the Health-Tech sector as a strategic growth generator, and we invest in significant resources in promoting innovation in this field. At that time, I highlighted 4 key growth engines: bioconvergence, digital health, personalized medicine, and artificial intelligence. Israel enjoyed significant advantages in these fields, supported by an advanced healthcare systems, a strong technological ecosystem, and highly skilled multidisciplinary workforce. Today, I want to focus on how we actively translating that vision into reality, particularly through our 2025 and 2026 initiatives. Health-Tech remains a top strategic priority for the authority. In 2025, we invested approximately 560 million shekel in Health-Tech, representing about 30% of our total investment. We provided a comprehensive support across all company stages, from early-stage venture creation and R&D through validation, pilot, and scale-up. A primary tool in these efforts is our startup fund. I am pleased to note that in 2025, Health-Tech accounted for over 45% of the fund investment, totally roughly 250 million shekel. However, our strategy goes beyond capital allocation. It is about addressing real-world needs and building essential infrastructure. The Israel Innovation Authority allocated total 50 million shekel to support health data infrastructure, local and international pilots, and dedicated clinical beta sites, empowering startups to test and validate their solutions in real-world environments. A central pillar of our vision is the National Bioconvergence Program. Israel is at the forefront of bioconvergence, integration of biology, engineering, and technology to create a next generation of medical solutions. We are currently in the first phase of this program, a joint government initiative with a total budget of approximately 550 million shekel. In 2025 alone, the Innovation Authority invested approximately 340 million shekel in bioconvergence-related activity, while the Council of Higher Education allocated more than 30 million shekel for advanced research equipment, adding to previous investments. For the first time worldwide, an Israeli company, Precise Bio, successfully implemented the 3D bioprinting cornea containing living cells, with the 5 patients having already received the implant. This is technology promise higher quality implants and shortened waiting time. This success of catching global attention, with the OECD highlighting Israel National Bioconvergence Program as a leading example of coordinated national strategy. Despite of ongoing investments from the authority and other entity, Health-Tech funding is declining. We just read it in the newspaper and heard it in this conference, 40% from the record. This demanding creativity and creative action in order to face the challenge. Looking forward to the second half of 2026, we are focusing on high-impact growth drivers. Chief among these is AI integration. To accelerate this transition, the authority and the Ministry of Health launched an AI regulation sandbox, streamlining compliance to fast-track innovation. This program provides both funding and regulatory guidance, helping companies generate real-world evidence safely while reducing barrier to adoption. Our next objective is to focus on what we call reality-changing innovatives. These are long-scale and large-scale coordinated efforts designed to address major healthcare challenges by bringing together companies, health tech organizations, regulators, and government partners. The authority is heavily invested in health tech because the promise is massive. But the reality is Israel is yet to claim its place as a global leader. This conference is a critical platform to help us together by driving a truly candid conversation about the achievement and the real bottleneck we have to face. So I welcome you to give us a direct feedback, active collaboration to refine our shared strategy. Thank you all, and I wish you a highly productive and successful day.